Guys, welcome back to another video. I know it said to be posted on Fridays, but today is special. Yeah. So, yeah, today will be special. As you can see. Oh, what's that? What's that, I wonder? Is it my room clean? I'm just kidding. Yeah, it is. Look, see? Let me show you. Yeah. So, as you can see. Oh. What's this? No. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm gonna get on my bed so that I can show you my preview. Look, you see, this is my preview, and you see those are dirt. Just say, yeah, dirt. So I'm gonna be vacuuming with that vacuum right there. Yeah. So let's get to it. Okay, so what type of you got? What type you got? I'm sorry, my hands are in the way. It just, I have so many. My room is clean, but not my desk, not my TV. Only this part. And then I have a plush editor. Put a crashing sound when I do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I got the broom. No. The shower should say. I got the vacuum. This big bad boy. Yeah. So this is gonna take years for me to and get the cord off. So I'm gonna do something that I've never done before. I put my bags. 3, 2. See? Look, you see the cord? Okay, I'm gonna be right back, okay? Okay, so back on the string. So time to vacuum. Editor. Put some. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I know I keep. Oh, guys, I will be right back because my mom was calling me. So, I'll see you. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, guys, here. Okay, bye.